The Modify Columns feature in Insight POS Cloud Backoffice is one of the most powerful and customizable features. Essentially, you have control over which columns you see and how you see them in reports and item management. Let's take a look at how it works. When you come into the Manage Items section, you'll see Modify Columns up here on the right side. When you select Modify Columns, it'll open up this column chooser. Here, you can select or unselect any options you want and drag and drop them over on the right side to change the order they appear in. So let's move the cost up next to the price, and I'll hit Save and Apply. Now you'll see price with cost right next to it. Let's say I want to get rid of this week to date, month to date. Again, just go back to Modify Columns, hit Apply, and they're gone. Saving different column sets is where this feature really shines. Let me show you. When you come into the Modify Columns section, set up your view however you want, and then click on Save Column Set. You can then give it a name and hit Save and Apply. I'm going to hit Cancel here so we can view the ones we already have. Back over in our Modify Columns area, you'll see all the choices of ones you have saved, and there's a little green dot next to the one that is your default. Whichever one is the default is how it's going to look every time you log in. So let's switch over to this one with min-max. So I'm going to click on that. You'll see it automatically changes to my minimum maximum desired inventory. Now if I refresh my page, it goes back to my week to date, month to date, year to date, which is my default. So let's go back to our min-max. But first I'm going to click this edit on min-max, and I'm going to check set as default. Then save it. Okay, now min-max desired is showing. The next time I come back and log in, you'll notice that I have my min-max desired as the default. Some other ideas for helpful layouts you may want are for supplier info. We can add supplier and reorder number, label printing. If we want to see the POS description, which is what the labels pull, or advanced pricing, which is where you can set a price 2 or price 3 level for any customer. If you head into any of the reports, you can come over here to the 3 dots, go to Modify Columns, and you'll see the same type of picker right here. You can choose which columns you want, reorder them, and save column sets the exact same way. It's worth noting that certain reports have mandatory columns that have to be there, otherwise the report wouldn't make much sense. So there is a limitation to how customizable it can be. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.